Hi everyone, welcome back to Flavorbox. My name is Chef Aaron and today we are making a refreshing drink out of the earth flavors, zesty, cooling, and tell you what, this is going to be infused with mint and lemongrass. We're making the lemonade. Let's make this together. So to make this with me, we'll need some lemongrass, we'll need some mint, some lemon, some honey, and then we'll need a silicone tray that's going to mold out a very beautiful ice cubes, and then some herbs because I love to flavor those cubes. So in we go. We're just going to distribute these fellas in there. So we're going to pop this in the fridge for about, say, maybe 30 minutes or more, just until it's all icy, and then we'll use it in our glasses. So I'm going to have a little bit of my mint because the infusion is very important. So infuse it with some mint, and then I'm going to put some lemon. Lemongrass is very Asian. It's very Filipino, it's very Thai, but then it ties up all the flavors and makes it super, super rich when you have this. So all that liquid goes in there without the seeds. So you're going to just crush that lemongrass in there. Have all that icy water going in, and after you've had this, give it about maybe 10 to 5 minutes or even more if you're not in a rush. Let those oils from the mint, from the lemongrass, just get infused into that water. So pop them out. So remember, we put mint in there, we put some fragrance of bay leaf, we had every goodness in there, edible flowers, and that's what you get. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop them into my glass and then stick that mint in there. So get that honey in your lemonade, season it again to your liking, just get that sweetness in there. Now people, guess what? It's about that time when we pour that goodness. Lovely drink that you can serve to your guests or anybody that walks through your doors, and you'll have a perfect glass to serve. Let's go in, people. Ow.